Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ben, and this is round 9, if you can believe that, of the Smoking Hot Confessions Barbecue Game Show. Hey family, I hope you're well wherever you are and you got that thin blue smoke rolling. This is round 9 of the Smoking Hot Confessions Barbecue Game Show, which means next week is week 10 and the final week. So some quick announcements. Of course, tonight, as usual, we are competing for a Smoking Hot Confessions tumbler. We've had a bunch of these gone out, one a week for the last 8 weeks now. This will be the 9th one going out this week. And next week, as I said, will be round 10. That'll be our final game. And at that point, we'll announce the championship winner. And the championship winner is going to get a rub and merch pack from Four Monkeys Barbecue. And Goat Brewing Company has come on board, and they're going to send out a little pack to the winners there as well. So that's really good and generous of both of those for us to come on board and do that. So as usual, if this is your first time watching, this is the Barbecue Game Show. We have 20 questions. Think pub trivia, but all about barbecue. So the 20 questions are broken into 4 rounds, 5 questions per round, each with multiple choice answers, and the final 5 questions each night are written by a guest quizmaster. Our guest quizmaster this week is Mr. Abel Kotsonis from Clean Heat Charcoal. He is over in Botswana at the moment, and things are pretty tough over there with all the COVID stuff happening. So if you got 2 minutes, send him a message. Just let him know that you're thinking about him, because last I was speaking to him, he was pretty much stranded on his property out there in the middle of Botswana and unable to go into any townships or anything. So I was just lucky that the wind happened to be blowing the right way, that he was able to pick up some internet on that day, and we were able to have a quick bit of a chat. So if you can take 2 minutes, just shoot him a message and just let him know that you're hoping everything goes well for him. As of course, he and his daughters are over there at the moment, but his wife is still here in Australia, so they're in a bit of a pickle at the moment. So send some love their way. Alrighty, so we've got 12 players here tonight, which is looking good. It's not too late to join if you want to come join. The Kahoot pin code is 1487734 if you are watching the live stream on Facebook. And if you are watching that, you are coming behind the scenes, so I will be releasing later on the edited version with all the music and all the foibles edited out and all the cool stuff edited back in. So without further ado, let's get stuck into this episode. Okay, here we go. Smoking Hot Confessions Barbecue Game Show Round 9. We got round 1 of the questions. What cut of pork? What cut is that? Is that the jowl, the cheek, the face, or the throat? That is the jowl. Yeah, very nice. Okay. First look at the board. Ollie's on top. Matt is just 2 points behind, and James just 3 points behind that, and everybody not too far behind. Okay, question 2 of what cut of pork is this? The forequarter, the shoulder, the upper leg, or the picnic ham? What do we have there? Yeah, that's the picnic ham. Very nice. Do love a good picnic ham. Oh, big change to the board. All right, Dan T jumping straight to the top there. Oh, but equal with with Anthony, and Chad Exotic not too far behind. Kate's on the board and Dean's on the board. Okay, question number 3. What cut of pork is this? Is that the bacon, the belly, the groin, or the flaps? That's enough out of you, Ruby. That is the bacon. Yeah, that's the technical name of that cut. Okay. All right, Dan T is on fire. 3 correct in a row and a handy 1,200-point lead. Matt H is back on the board. He's pushed Dean off the bottom. All right, question 4. What cut of pork is this? Do we have the middle back, the St. Louis ribs, the loin, or the back slab? Okay, the loin. Very delicious. Okay, Dave is the highest climber there. What have we got? Matt H is jumping up into 4th place there. And Dan stretching his legs just a little bit out in front of everybody else there. Okay, final question of round 1. What cut of pork is this one? Is that the collar butt, the Boston butt, the lunch ham, or the shoulder? That is the Boston butt, yeah. Interesting little tidbit, it's called the Boston butt because the barrels that they used to pack them in when they salted them, when they were shipping them out to the Civil War soldiers, the barrels were called butts, and that's why they're called Boston butts. It's got nothing to do with the butt of the pig. Okay, William is the highest climber, he's jumped 4 places. There we go. Matt's jumping up into 2nd there. Dan is still stretching his legs out in front. Anthony, Chad, and Kate not too far behind. All right, question 1 of round 2, BBQ Wars, Port Macquarie. When was the first year? Was that 2013, 14, 15, or 16? The first year of the Port Macquarie BBQ Wars. Yeah, 2014. I was feeling a bit nostalgic when I was writing these questions, so I went back to Port Mac, one of my favourite festivals. All right, 3 players have hit 3 correct in a row. Kate and Chad are making a bit of a climb there. Matt is closing on Dan. Okay. The number of teams in the first year of Port Macquarie BBQ Wars, was it 12, 17, 20, or 21? It was 20, yeah. Having a nice barbecue history lesson here today. Kate, wow, rocketed to the top. Jumped from, 4th to 1st there. 4 correct answers in a row. 500-point lead, very nice. Welcome to the board, Ollie. You've slipped into 5th place there. Question 3 of round 2, the first winners of the inaugural BBQ Wars. Was it the Meat Sweats, Double Barrel Barbecue, Eureka Smoke, or the Beard and the Barbecue? The Meat Sweats, pioneers of the competitive barbecue scene in Australia. All right, ooh, Matt's fighting back there. Ollie's on the climb. Okay, Kate's not too far behind. Question 4 of round 2, the final winners. So as we know, there is no BBQ Wars anymore, but who won the last one? Was it Smoke-Faced Grillers, Beard and the Barbecue, Butcher's Axe Barbecue, or Barbecue Mafia? Yeah, that was SFG, Smoke-Faced Grillers. They were very happy to take that out. Okay, Kate's fighting back. She's back on top. Anthony and Chad are climbing. Okay, come on, Dan. Last question of this round, the most number of teams in 2017. Was it 98, 96, 104, or 102? So all the years that BBQ Wars was running, 2017 was the biggest. How many teams? '96, yeah. Didn't quite break the 100. They had just over 100 registered, but there was a couple of last-minute pullouts. Okay, Anthony has the highest answer streak of 3. He's on the climb back up here. Kate's still 600 points out in front. And Matt, Chad, and Dan T not too far off, not too far behind. Okay, round 3, PK Grills. What is this? Is that called the Vintage, the Prime, the Classic, or the Original? That is the Original. Okay, Kate is back with an answer streak of 3 and a very handy 1,800-point lead out in front there. Dean's back on the board. Welcome back, Dean. Okay, very close there, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Which PK grill is this? What is this? Is that the PK Portable, the PK TX, the PK Folding, or the PK Comp Cart? That's the PKTX. Yeah, I love that folding cart. That would be really handy for getting around ACA comps. All right, what's going to happen? Chad is fighting back. He obviously knows his PKs. Dave knows his PKs. He's climbing as well. Matt H and Anthony are there very close in 3rd and 4th. All right. What is this PK? Is this the PK Pro, the PK Deluxe, the PK 360, or the PK Low and Slow? is the PK 360. I've got one on my front deck, and it is beautiful. Love it. All right, 3 in a row. Chad Exotic is back in the game. He's closed that lead on Kate too. Look at that, he's only 800 points off now. Very close here, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Question 14 of 20. What is this from PK Grills? Is that the PK roast basket, the PK fish basket, the PK charcoal basket, or the PK veggie basket? That is the PK charcoal basket, yeah. Good stuff. All right, Chad's got 4 correct in a row here. Dave and Ollie are on the climb. Welcome back to the leaderboard there, Ollie. Kate is about the same out in front, about 800 points out in front. Final PK grill question. What is this? Is that the PK Little More, the PK Cook More, the PK Small, or the PK Extra Grill? The PK Cook More. Look at the even spread on that. Nice. Okay. 5 correct. Chad Exotic takes the lead. Okay. So that's 3 rounds down now. We're going to go into round 4. So, guest Quizmaster Abel Kotsonis from Clean Heat Charcoal. CHC is made from pine, oak, mapani, or camel thorn. That is the mapani bush, yeah. Great charcoal. All right, Chad is 1,000 points out in front now. 6 correct in a row. Kate, Dave, Ollie, and Anthony, all very tight there. Next question. On which continent is Clean Heat Charcoal produced? Is it in Europe, Asia, Africa, or Australia? Yeah, it's from Africa. Look at that, 13 out of 13. Everybody knows their Clean Heat Charcoal. Dave, 7 correct answers in a row. And, oh no, Chad still, he's stretched a little bit, 1,100 points out in front. Kate, Ollie, and Anthony not too far behind. Question 18. What process does Clean Heat Charcoal use to produce their charcoal? Do they use a retort, an open pit, a gas oven, or a drum kiln? They use a retort, yeah. That's a bit of a tricky one because that does look like drums laid on its side, but the process is called a retort process. All right, Kate is on the way back. She's only less than 400 points now behind Chad. Hang on to that, Chad. All right. The rest are all pretty close there. Looked like Matt was on the climb. Clean Heat Charcoal Premium comes in what size bags? 4 kilos and 10 kilos, 10 kilos and 18 kilos, 10 kilos and 20 kilos, or 15 kilos and 40 kilos. That is 10 and 18 for the premium grade charcoal. Ooh, Chad, you're climbing. You're stretching that back out there again. 800 points, very nice. Dave is on the way up though, and Ribney's making a last-minute run on the leaderboard there. He's trying to climb his way up there. All right, 3rd place. Kate, you're still in it, not far behind. Final question. What color bag does the Clean Heat Charcoal Barbecue Briquette come in? Is it the red bag, the black bag, the green bag, or the white bag? So the Clean Heat Charcoal Barbecue Briquette. It's the green bag, yeah. I was a bit mean there putting all the bags in the photo at once. And if you would like to know more about Clean Heat Charcoal and the process that they do use, there is an interview that I did with Abel in the podcast. It'll be around the mid-20s, so it was a little while ago. But yeah, do go back and check that out. So the podium, in 3rd place we have Dave Linton. 2nd place we have Kate Irving, and 1st place, dun-da-da, Chad Exotic. There we go. Congratulations. 4th place, Matty Harris, and 5th place, Ollie Spragg. Okay. Chad, congratulations, mate. I know you've been hanging out to take out a round of the Smoking Hot Confessions barbecue game show. Congratulations.
Thanks, Benno. I've been working for it every round, mate, and about time, eh?
Yeah. It's we were having that conversation a few weeks ago about how each week just seems to line up with different people. It's all like all the questions just line up. It was obviously your week. You were performing really strongly tonight.
Mate, the PK grill, I think, sort of had me, I got all of those. I haven't got one, but I've been researching the hell out of them. I really, really want one. It's my next queue. So, I think that gave me a good advantage. So, yeah, it was good.
Mate, I highly recommend them. I love mine, and I tell everybody that they should definitely get one. So once again, congratulations, and thanks because you've been here every week.
Missed the second week, mate. I had other commitments, but I've made sure I get into every other week.
Well, thank you for being here to play.
Love it. Thanks for your work, Benno. Love it.
Alrighty, folks, there you have it. That was the Smoking Hot Confessions Barbecue Game Show Round 9. Huge thanks to everybody for coming to play. And, of course, massive congratulations to Chad Exotic. I know he's been hanging out to get his hands on a tumbler, so I'll get that into the mail out to him on Monday. So, once again, big thanks to Four Monkeys and Goat Brewing for jumping on board for our championships. Make sure you do tune in next week for the final round where we'll be able to announce the overall champion. So, until next time, take care of each other and keep on queuing.